If I lost everything today, no money, no job, no connections, I could still make my first $1,000 again within 30 days. Not because I'm special, but because I understand how money actually works in 2026. Most people think you need money to make money, but that's the biggest lie you've ever been told. The truth is, money follows value. And today, creating value has never been easier. If I had to start from zero, the first thing I would do is simple. I would stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like a problem solver. Instead of asking, how can I make money? I would ask, how can I help someone make money or save time? Because that's where money comes from. Right now, there are people making thousands of dollars every month using nothing but their phone. Not because they're lucky, but because they learned one simple skill that businesses are willing to pay for. I'm talking about skills like video editing, writing content, or even using AI tools to create posts, designs, or scripts. These are not hard skills. You don't need years to learn them. In fact, you can learn the basics in just a few days if you focus. And once you have that basic skill, everything changes. Because now, you don't need to build a complicated business. You don't need a product. You don't need followers. All you need is one person willing to pay you. So instead of wasting time trying to become famous, I would go where people are already looking for help. Platforms like freelancing websites, or even social media pages where small business owners are active. And here's where most people fail. They overthink everything. They think they need a perfect portfolio, perfect English, perfect skills. But the truth is, clients don't care about perfection. They care about results. So I would keep it simple. I would offer something very basic, like editing short videos, writing captions, or helping someone grow their page using simple strategies. Nothing crazy, just real value. Then comes the part that nobody likes, but this is where the money is. I would reach out to people every single day, not once, not twice, but at least 20 times a day. I would send simple messages offering help. No begging, no spam, just clear, direct value. Something like, hey, I noticed your content is good, but it could perform better with better editing. I can help you with that. Most people will ignore you. Some will say no, but one person, just one, can change everything. That first $10 or $20 you make, that's the proof. That's when you realize this is real. And from there, it becomes a game. You improve your skill. You get better results. You increase your price. You get more clients. And slowly, that $10 turns into $100, then $500, then your first $1,000. And here's the key that most people miss. Don't spend your first money. Reinvest it. Buy better tools. Learn faster. Upgrade your skills. Because the faster you improve, the faster you escape being broke. This is not some secret strategy. This is not luck. This is just what most people are too distracted or too lazy to do. While they scroll for hours, you could be building something real. So if I had to start from zero in 2026, I wouldn't be scared. Because I know money is everywhere. You just need to become the person who knows how to capture it. Follow me if you want to learn how to play the game and finally win.